to solve this one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to get the molar mass from the periodic table. So if I look at my periodic table, I see that zinc has an atomic mass of 65 grams. So I'm going to write that as 65 grams per mole. And then I need to write this as a ratio. And I can write this two different ways. I can do 1 mole of zinc over 65 grams of zinc, or I can write it as 65 grams of zinc over 1 mole. It really doesn't matter which way you do it. Okay, so when you're solving a problem, I always start with what I know from my ratio. So I know that I have 1 mole of zinc, and that is 65 grams, and it's important that you keep these together. And now I'm going to be solving on the other side for grams. I'm sorry, for moles. So I'm going to put my 104 grams on the bottom and X where I'm going to be solving for moles. So when you're setting it up as a ratio, you're going to do cross multiplying. So I'm going to do 1 times 104, which would be 104, is equal to 65 times X, so 65X. And then to get X by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 65. And when I do that, I get 1.6 moles of zinc. For the next problem, I'm going to set it up the same way. Again, I'm going to take my known for every statement and write it as a ratio. So 1 mole of zinc weighs 65 grams. So if I have zero point 0.4 moles of zinc, how many grams? And I know it should be less than 65 because I have less than 1 mole. So I'm going to do the 65 times 0.45. And when I do that, I get 29.3, which is less than the 65. And I know I am doing the problem correctly.